everything about you.
Dude, let me just tell you guys something, alright? I'm going to do a little video about exotic cars here. Before you start getting all, oh god damn, dude. Look, this is stupid. These cars that you're seeing people buy, I think 50 Cent got 6 of them for Christmas or something. I got my wife a Cullinan and I got myself this. You know, Mayweather goes and shows his fleet of iron sitting around the Lambos and Ferraris and Rolls and Maybachs. Just so you guys know, look, this is ridiculous. You don't need to go out and buy these cars. Okay, this is without a doubt complete waste of money. And unlike some of the people that are out buying them, because there's a lot of young kids right now thinking, oh, I'm going to go buy a Lambo, I'm going to get a Ferrari, I'm going to go buy me a Rolls. I watched a 24-year-old kid buy a Rolls Royce. I'm like, man, that don't even look good on you, even if you can afford it. So this car right here is a lifetime goal. And just so you know how I made a decision to buy something this stupid, I told myself that if I would never buy cars like this until I had enough free cash flow, passive income. I would never buy cars like this until I had more passive income than I had earned income, number one. And number two, I would never buy these kind of cars unless I could pay for them with 1 week of passive income. So I bought 2 of them for Christmas. Hey, look, what you see right here is completely ridiculous, but years, 35 years of hard work. Not just hard work, but making good decisions and putting the money away and not doing this kind of stuff. Put all this stuff off. Don't do this right now, okay? Pay the price right now. Work hard, get great at your job, get great at whatever you do. So good that people are like, man, you're the best. Well, who are you? What are you on? They start asking questions about, wow, what makes you so unique? Then you're going to start getting paid more. There's no way on this planet that if people start talking about how exceptional you are, you will get paid more at some point. When you do, take that money and invest it in something where you can't lose it, where it pays you every month, and one day in the future, it'll be worth more than it is today. Do that for years. It might take 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. I'm just starting to enjoy my life. A lot of hard work, man. I'm leaving my office today, and a guy said to me, he said, man, you killing it, man. You killing it. I said, dude, this is 30 years of freaking work.
That is awesome.
I just came to see, who was this playa, out in the parking lot here.
I'm shooting a video about, oh my God.
That is ridiculous.
I'm shooting a video about why people should never buy these kind of cars. Guys, I'm telling you, please. Take.
When I first met you, you had all this money, and dude, you didn't have this.
Dude, you want a nice car. There's so many nice cars out there. There's 1,000 so many nice cars, and they got great deals on them. And you should lease your cars, by the way. You should lease all your cars. Unless you figure out some kind of scheme the IRS is offering on equipment where you can write off the whole thing. Like, I pay cash for my wife's Cullinan because what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap it in 10X and I'm going to use it as a promotion. I'm going to whack off $449,000 on my damn IRS form and I'm going to see if I can pull it off. I don't even know if I can. Huh? Is this ridiculous? So...
We're going to go squeeze some more money out of some deals in there.
Let's do it. I'm coming in. So look, just a warning. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't have to reach for the door. Excuse me. Excuse me. It's just nasty. It's nasty. But I'm going to tell you something. Let me tell you what's worth more than paying for this car, showing off in it or having it or getting in it. The money, man. Get that money. God damn, dude, I'm telling you, get money and start protecting that money till one day you can make that money grow. Like this car could buy $1 million worth of real estate. You don't want to buy this car right now. You want to leverage the money to purchase the real estate, so that one day the real estate buys the car. I didn't buy the damn car. Trust me. Thousands of units are paying for this car, so I don't care. So buy it. You can buy it when it don't matter. When you're like, okay, rounding error. That was stupid. I admit it was stupid. Right hand in the air, swear to God, yes. I declare myself an ignoramus dum-dum for buying this car. But look, I paid the price so that I could. Don't be the dum-dum that hadn't paid the price. All right? Rolls Royce, you did a great job on the dashboard, by the way. The thing is ridiculous. You finally cleaned this thing up. Got us some little carbon fiber, okay? Got the board looking good. You want to be the boss? You got to pay the invoice. Beautiful, huh? It's amazing. Yeah. Hey, all you guys hating on my glitter. It's stupid, isn't it? Look, check it out. You hating on my glitter won't get you your glitter. You hating on all my hard work and the results I'm having won't get you working hard, and it will not get you the results. And a message to all those of you who listen to all the hate. You worse than the damn haters, man. See, without you, they don't have anybody to talk to. So you got to start saying no to that. All the hate, the envy, the trolling, the make wrongs, that's not going to make anybody better, okay? You can't build yourself up trying to take somebody else down. Envy don't work. It don't look good on anybody, okay? Be great. Find your own glitter. I said find your own glitter.
I like everything about you.